Discover new Artistro fine-tipped paint markers, the paint markers you've been waiting for. They fit nicely in a box that serves as a perfect pen holder. The box itself is beautifully designed and would be a great gift for your crafty friends. There are 30 acrylic paint markers with a fine tip. Every color has its own number, which is indicated on the palette on the box. Unlike other plastic tips on the market, our acrylic fine point does not splatter paint. It draws perfectly both on rough and smooth surfaces, suitable for drawing small details as well as for sketching large areas. Get creative on a variety of surfaces like paper, rock, wood, glass, and more. The paint pens are easy to activate and they come with 2 extra tips for replacements. You will love a consistent flow and opaque colors. Check the description below to purchase Artistro new paint markers. Don't forget to subscribe to get weekly inspiration and new projects.